Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to do the book exercise of this chapter, that is Priya's friend. Children, do you remember who was Priya's friend? Yes, it was banyan tree. And children, it is not only Priya's friend, it is a friend of all of us. And not only banyan tree, all the trees. And I have also explained you that it has so many uh, qualities in it. It is so useful for us, like it gives us food. The most important thing is oxygen after food. First oxygen, because we cannot live without oxygen for 2 minutes also, but we can live without food for 1 day or 2 days. So it gives us oxygen, food, it brings rain, it has also medicinal values, children. So let us do the book exercise today. So first is making connections. Children, question number 1, you have to put a tick mark against the correct answer. So number A is, where does the story take place? In Priya's classroom or at Priya's home? So children, we have seen a beautiful classroom. Okay, in the picture it was Priya's classroom. So the story took place in Priya's classroom. So you have to put tick mark here. Who is Soma's best friend? Soma's grandmother, Soni or Avi? So we have read that Soni is Soma's best friend. She used to play with her. He has curly green hair. What do you think curly green hair means? Trunk of the tree, branches of the tree or leaves of the tree? So children, do you know which part of the tree is green? So obviously leaves. So leaves of the tree. Which of the following can Priya's friend do? Talk to Priya? No. Banyan tree cannot talk. Tell Priya story? No. Protect her from the rain and the hot sun? Yes. Now put a tick mark against the sentences that are true and put a cross against those that are false. Avi's grandmother sings songs to her. Children, we have read that Avi's grandmother tells him a story every day. So it is wrong. Priya's friend is a small plant. No, Priya's friend is a very big tree, not a plant. Priya's friend lives in the school garden. Yes. Now read, reflect and write. So children, question number 3 is, write 3 things that Priya's friend can do. So children, Priya's friend can do several things, but you have to write only 3. So let us write the most important things from the book. Yes, you have to write from the book itself. The 3 things that Priya's friend can do are, he can cover the sun, he can hide the moon, and he can protect Priya from rain and hot sun. Children, if you want to write on your own, so you can write, no problem. How do trees help us? Talk about it in the classroom. Children, you can discuss it with your parents or siblings, because we are not going to school, so you have to do this only. But we can I will help you, okay? So children, trees help us in many ways, like they give us oxygen, fruits, medicines, shade, brings rain and keep the environment clean. Plant seeds of basil, that is tulsi, in your kitchen garden or a small pot in the house. Keep it in sunlight and keep the soil moist, means you have to water it every day, and then make observations and draw once in 7 days to show how the plant grows. So children, I think you all have this plant at your home. I also have, and I plant it daily. So children, you can make observations and you can write on the daily basis that how, or once a week you can write, because every day what you will write, leaves are growing or what. So once a week you can write about, for 1 month you can write your observations, that how it grows. Now word wall, parts of a tree. Label the parts of the tree with the words given in the box. So children, you have already studied this. It is very simple. So first one is leaves. Second one is branch. As you can see here, there are many branches, but we are talking about only one branch. So we have written only a branch. This part is trunk. It is the strongest part of the tree, children. The root also. Now this is the fruit, and yes, what is it? It is root. These are roots. One is shown, but all these are roots here. Now grammar time. A and an. Read the following sentences. Priya points to an apple. Children, can you see an is written in italic form? Priya points to a tree. Again, a is written in italic form. Why? Children, I have explained you a and an. A is used before the word which starts with consonant sound, and an is used before the word which starts with a vowel sound or which gives vowel sound, like an apple. So it is giving vowel sound. A is a vowel. Tree, a tree. Tree is giving consonant sound, and T is also consonant. So we use an in front of words that begin with vowel sounds. The five vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So an ant, an ice cream, an aeroplane, all these are giving vowel sounds, so we have written an. We use A in front of words that do not begin with vowel sounds, like a lemon, a clock, a candle. So children, lemon, clock, candle, these all begins with a consonant sound. Now fill in the blanks with A or an. So first word is egg. So egg begins with a vowel sound. Okay, E is there, so an egg. A shoe, because shoe starts with a consonant sound, that is S. An onion, because onion begins with a vowel sound. An X, because X begins with a vowel sound. An orange, again it begins with a vowel sound. An umbrella, because umbrella begins with a vowel sound. A kite begins with a consonant sound K. A bowl begins with a consonant sound B. A cake begins with a consonant sound C. And an igloo, because igloo begins with a vowel sound I. Now A and an have not been used correctly in some of the following sentences. You have to find the sentences with errors in them. Rewrite them as correct sentences. So children, let us read the sentences one by one and let us find the mistakes. There is an kitten in the house. So children, an kitten. Kitten begins with a consonant sound, that is K. So a kitten. There is an insect on the floor. So insect begins with a vowel sound, that is I. So an insect is correct. There is an glass on the table. So children, glass, it is giving consonant sound, that is G. So a glass. My brother sleeps in a coat. So coat begins with a consonant sound, that is C. So it is right. I have an watermelon. Watermelon. So children, watermelon begins with a consonant sound W. So A. Mother drives an car. Again, car begins with a consonant sound, children, C. So a car. Manu wants an apple. Apple begins with a vowel sound, that is A. So an apple. There is an owl on that branch. So children, we know owl begins with a vowel sound O. So an is correct. Now say it right. Read this sentence. She tells me a story every day. Notice the sound A-Y-A in the word day. Children, you can repeat it. Sometimes when the letters A and Y come together in a word, they make the sound A, like day, bay, say, ray, okay, as in the word day. So now listen to these words and repeat them after your teacher. So children, you can repeat after me. Play, pay, way, away, may, ray, tray, say, all these words, okay? Find and write down one word from the story that has the sound A as in the word day. Children, you know you have to write only one, but I have written 4. So you can find and write only one. I have written today, says, sways and ways. Now bring 4 different kinds of leaves to the classroom and paste them in the squares given below. Children, I know you all have beautiful gardens at your home. If not, at least you have 3 to 4 plants at your home. So you have to only paste 4 leaves here. So children, I cannot paste here, but what I have done, I have just originally I cannot paste, okay, I cannot paste real leaf, but what I have done, I have copy pasted. Okay, I have downloaded it from internet and I have pasted here few leaves. So first leaves I have pasted of banana leaf. Okay, you can write the names also, children. Please write the names. I have not written, but you write the name here, banana leaf. This is banyan. I have taken this picture from banyan tree. So you can write here banyan leaf. Then it is palm leaf. It is from a palm tree, and it is from a rose plant. So children, if you have a garden at your home, take out 4 leaves and please paste it and write the names also. So children, I hope you have learned, understood everything. You can do the book exercise on your own. I was just helping you children. So that's all for today. Thank you.